Okay, boys and girls, make sure that you have your yellow, your red, your green, and your pencil. Oh, Mrs. Schmidt, this journal is absolutely wonderful. It's about writing about weather. That's right, Maisie. Boys and girls, make sure you have your writing journal ready, and let's go ahead and go to our very first page. Here we go. Maisie, do you remember what it said? Yes, it's sunny. This right here says, how is the weather today? Oh, can I read this part? You sure can. Go ahead and read it. The weather today is sunny. Oh, so let's go ahead and finish the sentence. Look, we have a sentence starter. Remember, boys and girls, when we had a sentence starter? Yeah, then we just need to finish it. So the weather today is sunny. And we've got it right up here. So we can put it right down here, just copy it. Now this has a capital, but we're going to use a lowercase letter. Make sure you have a finger space in there. And let's just copy the word sunny. Make sure you don't write too big. You want to be able to fit it in there. If you think that you write a little bit too big, you could go ahead and write it down here. But it looks like we are writing small enough to fit it right in there. Now, let's go ahead and remember that we do still, even with our sentence starters, we have a capital right here. They did it for us. See? They have a capital. And they also have finger spaces. So we need to go ahead and add those to make sure. Let's check for our 5-star writing, okay? So we've got our capital green, our finger spaces yellow. Oh, and the period, it's red. That's right, let's make our period red. There we go. Remember that means what, Maisie? Stop. That's right, it means stop. Perfect. Green for go, red for stop. Looking good. Okay, that's our first sentence. Now, if you remember in the video, Maisie, they talked about being happy. Do you remember that? I do remember. So can we say, I am happy? Oh, I love that sentence. And you know, we are going to actually be using some of our sight words today. And those are some of our sight words. I am. Okay, I, capital, it's the beginning of a sentence. That's right. So we have I, capital I, finger space, am. Ooh, we've got 2 sight words right there. I am happy. That's right. Now, happy is a great word to know how to spell because you can use this in your writing a lot. Happy is a great word that I like to use in my writing, okay? So you could just copy it right here if you don't know how to spell it, H-A-P-P-Y. That's happy, okay? I am happy, period at the end. And let's go ahead and make that red. Oh, capital beginning. That's right. We've got our capital. Make sure it is green. We're going to be checking off our 5-star writing, boys and girls. So those are a couple of things we need to make sure we're checking for. Our periods are red. Our capitals are green. Okay. And make sure that you have your finger spaces. Now, remember what we talked about. My crayon broke. Do you see that? So I'm doing my very best, but it's a little bit sloppy today. I'm trying my best. Now, did you notice when I talked about this last time, Maisie, I'm noticing sometimes kids are just making the beginning of the sentence green. You mean even if they don't have a capital? Yeah, they're just making it green. Oh, that's not right. Nope, you have to make sure it's a capital, boys and girls. So if it's not a capital, then you erase it, fix it, then you can make it green. That's right, then you can make it green. Okay, now Maisie, do you remember what they talked about in the video? Remember what we saw? We said that on a sunny day, I'm happy. Do you remember that? Yeah, and it said that we can play outside. Yes, I can play outside and catch butterflies. Oh, that's right. Now, boys and girls, if you want to write this sentence right along with us, you can, or you can write your own sentence. That's right. So we're going to write, say it again, Maisie. I can. Oh, we've got 2 sight words there again. We're going to circle our sight words at the end to see how many we did. Finger space. I can. Okay. And what was the next word? Play. Oh, that's right. We'll do this one right down here. Play. Oh, this is another good word that I think kids like to use a lot in their writing. So that's probably a good one to memorize. Happy and play. Those are ones that kids like to use a lot. So we'll use those today. I can play. Finger space, outside. Ooh, that's a compound word. That means we have 2 words that are together. See that? Out and side. We put them together, we have outside. Okay, so I can play outside. You could stop right there if you want to. Yes, you could put a period right there, or you could continue just like we're going to do. And what are we going to say, Maisie? And catch butterflies. Oh, I like that. So if you would like to write the next part with us, go ahead and make your finger space. If you need to catch up with us, pause your video. You know how to do that now. And I don't think I have enough room over here, so I'm going to come down here. Catch. Now, catch is a very tricky word. It has this T right in there. Okay, so if you didn't know that, make sure you copy it down so that you spell it correctly. Catch and catch. And then butterflies is kind of a long word as well. So if you would like to copy this one, you can watch Mrs. Schmidt and Maisie. Okay, butterflies. It's kind of long. There we go. Oh, I love that word. Butterflies. And then we're going to put a period right there at the end. All right, now let's go back and see how we did. Okay, let's see. Capital at the beginning. Yep, that's a capital I, so make it green. Okay, so we have a capital, boys and girls. If you didn't make it a capital, erase it. And then you can make it green after it's a capital. I can play outside and catch butterflies. Oh, period. Yeah, red. Make it red. That means stop. Okay, now let's check to make sure we have all of our words separated with our finger spaces. Yep. Okay, that looks good. How does yours look, boys and girls? Do you have your words separated with your finger spaces? Make sure. Okay. Oh, it looks great. Okay. Now, Maisie, can we go back and read the whole thing? Sure. Okay, I'll use the pencil and you read it. The weather today is sunny. I am happy. I can play outside and catch butterflies. Oh, I like it. I like it too. Okay, now boys and girls, if you want to go back with me, let's see how many sight words we have in here today. Let's see. We have the right here. You know that one. Ooh, my crayon. I'm not going to use that crayon. That crayon's a little bit warm. It was on my computer. Okay, so we'll go ahead and we'll circle this one. The. Ooh, we have is. We have this one right here. Maybe I'll use my pencil. Okay, I'll use my pencil. You can use whatever color you choose. Let's see how my blue looks. Actually, my blue looks pretty good. I think I'll use my blue. Okay. Okay, so we have the. Make sure you circle that one. We have is. Okay, what else do we have? I. Oh, I is a sight word. Yep. Okay, let's see how many we have. And. Ooh. Wow, we've got a lot of sight words in here today. Oh, there's I again. Do you see one, boys and girls? If you said can, you're right. Yep, that is also a sight word. Let's see. What else do we see? Oh, don't say anything, Maisie. Wait. See if they know it. Did you say and? Okay, if you said and, circle and. Awesome. How many do we have? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. 7. Okay, let's put that right up here. 7. Boys and girls, if you want to put a 7 up there at the top, you can too. Mrs. Schmidt, you forgot to do something very important. Oh, yes, I did. I actually forgot. What did I forget? You forgot to check your 5-star writing. Okay, let's do that first. Okay, so we will put our checks right up here because we don't have our little checkoff list at the bottom today. But that's okay. We're going to do it right up here. So the first thing we have is our capitals. So let's make sure that we have all of our capitals at the beginning of our sentences. Let's see, we've got 3 sentences and 3 capitals. So we've got those. Check. Nice job. We have 3 sentences, so we should have 3 periods. We sure do. Okay, check. And did we do neat writing? Yes, we did. Okay, well, I did neat writing. Boys and girls, did you do neat writing? If you did, give yourself a check. All right, now the next part is, does it make sense? Okay, does it make sense? Well, we read it and it makes perfect sense. The weather today is sunny. I am happy. I can play outside and catch butterflies. Yes, it makes sense. Let's see, that's 1, 2, 3, 4. What am I missing, Maisie? Your finger spaces. Oh, that's right. I forgot my finger spaces. That will give me my last check. All right, it's looking good. Oh, yep. 5 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I did checks. You could actually do stars if you wanted to. Now, if you want to draw a picture of yourself playing outside, catching butterflies, you can do that right here. And we're going to do our picture, and we will be back in a snap. And here's our picture. Look, we have a little boy who's trying to catch butterflies out on a sunny day playing outside. Did you draw the same kind of picture that we did? Or maybe you wrote something a little different that you like to do on a sunny day. This makes me super happy. And it makes me super happy. Boys and girls, did you put your name at the top? Oh, yes, right here. Weather reporter. I put Maisie's name. Maisie. That's right, Maisie, right there. Boys and girls, make sure you put your name right up here at the top. You are the weather reporter. You're reporting what kind of weather it is today. Remember, our little son is asking the question, how is the weather today? And you are reporting that it is sunny. All right, good job on your writing today, boys and girls.